Now, actually for the sake of the student report class file, how JDK tools, in which order JDK tools search in the system, you have to identify, just keep this in mind. Now, just I have given 5 steps, in the same order it searches. First one, demos student report class in current directory. Already I told you the default class path is current directory. First you are searched in your flat, thereafter the visitor, if you are not available, you are searched in other flats, whatever you specified in your path. Same analogy you apply here. Now we see, for this thing, demos student report dot class, first Java tools search in a current directory. The current directory, if it is not available and all that, it goes to D drive, projects level 1 demos student report class. There also it is not available, then it goes E drive, projects level 2 demos student report class. There also it is not available, then it goes to F drive, project level 3 demo student report class, because already have defined the class path. There also it is not available, then it goes to Java class library, Java class library JCL, then it searches in the Java class library. There also it is not available, that means the entire path, current directory or explicit class path, and in Java class library also it is not available. In such case, system the JVM fails to locate it, then it throws one exception. That exception is having a name, no class definition found error. Then only, if it is not available in the entire class path and all that, no class definition def found error, that is thrown. Actually, so far I did not explain exception handling. In the forthcoming chapters I am going to explain, but contextually you should remember, already a few of this I explained: array index out of bound exception, null pointer exception, like that. Here no class def found exception error, that is thrown, and thereafter program is terminated. This you have to understand. Then that is the importance of the class path. So far we are doing all the programs in the current directory. That is why by default class path environment variable is set to current directory. That is why you never bothered about it. In the same manner, packages also the same explanation I have given. Now you learnt in this chapter regarding packages, we learnt regarding class path, we learnt setting class path. Now hereafter you apply whatever knowledge you acquired and all that. Do not retain simply as a theoretical knowledge, you apply in the further programs. In this manner you set your class path, and your files may be in one place and you may work out some other place. Once you set anywhere in the system, you can work. Your class path is set properly, anywhere in the system you can work out your programs. And JVM means here Java compiler and JVM also, that is interpreter also you take into consideration. They search according to this procedure.